Dear students, greetings. In this video class, we are going to discuss functional dependency in database management system. I am Arun Kumar, assistant professor in MLB Textile Engineering College. The content for this video class I have taken from database system concept by Korth. A database dependency is defined as constraints between two set of attributes in a relation from a database. A functional dependency is a generalization of notation of a key. As in previous class we have discussed, a key in relation is an attribute or set of attributes which uniquely determine all other attributes in a relation. A functional dependency play a key role in differentiate good database design from a simple database design. Definition of functional dependency is a functional dependency, in short FD, on relation schema R is a constraints X implies Y, where X and Y are subset of attribute of relation R. An FD is a relationship between an attribute Y and a determinant X such that for a given value of determinant, the value of attribute is uniquely defined. X tends to Y or X determinant Y or X determines Y. We can read X determine Y, or we can say Y is functionally determined by X, or Y is functionally dependent on X. Let R be a relation schema and alpha is a set of attributes of relation R, and beta is also some set of attributes in relation R. So functional dependency alpha tends to beta, or alpha determined beta, or beta is functionally determined alpha, holds on R if and only if for any legal relation R, whenever any two tuple T1 and T2 of R agree on attribute alpha, then also agree on the attribute of beta. When in your set of attributes alpha, two tuples value are same, then must be the value of the same tuple should be same in beta or beta as well. Let's understand what is the meaning of here functional dependency alpha tends to beta. There's an one minute. There's an suppose this is a relation R1, and there's two attributes. Suppose attribute, this is attribute A and this is attribute B. A functionally determined B if this condition should be true. If two tuples values same, then the corresponding beta or other which we are determining value also should be the same. Here if we say this A functionally determined B, then this condition should be hold. So the condition is this: if these two tuple are equal, here these two tuples value are same, 1 and 1, and corresponding V value also should be the same, but here the first V value is 4 and other value T2 is 5, where T1 and suppose this is T1 and this is T2. If T1 and T2 are same for attribute A, should be the same also same for the attribute B, but here it's not same, so we can say this FD is not hold in this relation R1. A not tends to B, or A is not functionally determined B. Check for is B functionally determined A. Check for this FD B functionally determined A. Here for there's an all three values are different, so we can say there's no such condition hold. There's no two tuples value are same, so we can say this B is functionally determined A uniquely. So this condition is hold because all these values are unique, so we can say V is functionally determined A. Check for this relation R2 for more clarity. this is attribute A and this is attribute B. Check. A is functional determinant B. For this, check values are unique. Here there's two values are same. Suppose this, we call this is T1 and this is T2. This value are same and corresponding this value are also same. So and all other values are unique, so we can say alpha tends to beta is true, means alpha A is functionally determined B. Check, is B functionally determined A? For this, check all these values are unique. No, there is three values are same. So this, or this three value corresponding value of which we are determining value also should be the same. Here 4 the value is 1, for the next 4 the value is 2, which is not equals, and so we can say B is not functionally determined A. This functionally determined is not hold in relation R2. Check for another example. Consider the following table R of the relation schema. R has 5 attributes A, B, C, D, E, and there are some given values of this attributes. Check all the FDs which is hold or not hold in this relation. For check for start for the attribute attribute A functionally determined B. For this, the value of any two tuples same, the corresponding value of which we are determining should also the same. Here A1 there is some other A1, no, then A2 there is no A2, only one A2, A3. So all these 5 value are unique, so we can say A functionally determined B.